Most of us are very familiar with adversity and the challenge of trying not only to survive in the face of it, but to actually thrive despite the difficulties that we face. From time to time, we all experience situations that are challenging, but finding ways to overcome those challenges by developing strength couldn't be more important if we want to enjoy the best possible success in life. Relentless drive is the answer. When we can find ways of boosting our ability to cope, even if nothing is going our way, we can become unstoppable. Grit and resilience lie at the heart of this. Persistence, perseverance, and perspective are all essential when we want to move forward in strength and success. So, what are grit and resilience, and how can their power be harnessed to create the relentless drive that we need to thrive? In this video course, we take a closer look at the importance of these things in our lives and examine how we can begin to develop them and hone them into a weapon that we can then use to our best advantage. When we know how grit and resilience can help us in different areas of our lives, and we know how we can foster those skills and put them into practice, we can stand the best chance of success, both in our personal lives and in the workplace.